Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Minecraft Java Edition and Bedrock Edition full guide for PC. So here we are on xbox.com and you can just search it up, okay, here on the search bar. Just type this in and you can either buy it using Game Pass because this is included in your Game Pass, or you can buy it here. This is $29.99. You can usually choose your edition. So right now we've chosen this one, okay? Java and a Bedrock edition for PC. There's also other editions as well. And when you're ready to buy, just click here on buy. Of course, you can use Game Pass. And then all you need to do is go ahead and sign into your account, add your payment method. You can pay via card and other payment methods as well. And once you purchase it, you can go ahead and play it, right? And install it on your computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.